have a cylinder 6 misfire in my car. Yes. Car runs great until it heats up and it starts sputtering. Now the problem, I need to change the spark plug in the coil. Simple procedure. I need a torque wrench. Yes, I need a torque wrench. I can do it myself. I can turn wrenches. I can grow nerves. But I gotta change this because it's sputtering. And they say once a check engine light comes on, you're not supposed to drive the motherfucker because of damaged catalytic converters. Well, guess what? Because they're like $2,800 to replace on. Well, two of them are $2,800 to replace on the 2012 FJ Cruiser. However, here's the thing. I'll cut the motherfuckers off. There's 4 cats on the fucking car. I'll cut them all off. I don't give a flying fuck. Some say it doesn't run as good. Some say it runs better. Well, when I had older cars, I used to always cut the motherfucker off. It's like running straight headers. You know what I'm saying? I'll cut the motherfuckers off. The bottom line is I got a cylinder 6 misfire. I need to change coil and spark plug so I can get this beast back to running the way it was. The only reason I wear these glasses is because if I don't have these glasses, I can't read my phone. I can see perfectly. I can grow nerves. I just can't see my phone. I just can't. And I can't see receipts. But I can see dead people. Oh yeah, I can see them. Yes, I can. God, that beard's majestic looking. Look at that. I keep this bark dark with a beast. Browns win today at 42-14. And then they go to the Ravens and beat the Ravens and knock them out of playoff contention. And actually help the Pittsburgh Steelers. Because that's what we do.